Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an interactive multiple choice quiz in Google Slides, the kind where participants click on an answer and instantly see whether they got it right or wrong. This 2025 guide is foolproof and perfect for teachers, trainers, or anyone who wants to add a fun, interactive element to their presentations. Let's dive in. Access Google Slides, open your favorite web browser, and head to docs.google.com/presentations. Sign in with your Google account if you aren't already. From the home page, click blank to start a fresh presentation. This gives us a clean slate for our quiz. Create your questions slide. Think of this as your first quiz question. On the blank slide, add a title like Question 1, and type your question in the main text box. Use the toolbar to adjust font size, color, and style so it pops. You can even add images or icons to make it visually exciting. Add multiple choice options. Next, create your answer choices. Select the text box tool from the top menu and draw separate boxes for each option. A, B, C, and D, for example. Clearly label each one and customize the colors or borders to match your theme. For every answer, you'll need a slide that shows whether the choice is correct or incorrect. Create a new slide for each feedback message. On these slides, type something simple like correct, great job, or oops, that's not right. Try again. Feel free to add images, emojis, or background colors to keep it engaging. Link answers to feedback slides. Here's where the magic happens. Go back to your question slide and click on the text box for your first answer option. From the menu, choose Insert Arrow Link. In the dialog box, select the slide that shows the correct or incorrect feedback for that option. Repeat this for every answer choice, making sure each one links to its matching feedback slide. Test your quiz click. Present in the top right corner to test everything. Try each option to ensure the links work and the right feedback appears. If something isn't linking correctly, just edit the link and retest. And that's it. You've just built an interactive multiple choice quiz entirely in Google Slides. No extra software needed. Perfect for classrooms, training sessions, or even fun trivia nights. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and drop a comment below sharing what kind of quiz you're creating. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing!